Has anyone heard the flute song of Krishna? Raise your hand. So you're not sitting here unless you heard. In case you're too shy to give the answer, I will answer your examination for you. We all of us have heard the flute sound of Krishna. We have heard the invitation from Krishna to come to me, come to my Vrindavan, come dance with me, come celebrate love with me, come kiss me, embrace me, swim with me, play with me, eat with me. Come! And what is the form that sound of Krishna's flute takes in the ears of all of you? Guru Vani. Guru Vani. Guru Agya. Guru Vani is the sound of Krishna's flute. It is sprinkled with the Vansuri Nad, the Guru Vani. And the Guru Vani is sprinkled with the pollen particles that are collected at the feet of Shyam and Radharani. So all of us have heard the flute. We were running after Krishna. Maybe some of us are walking. Some are walking. Some are crawling. Some are being carried by a stronger friend. But all of us, one way or another, are going home. Srila Prabhupada ki. So the gopis heard the call.